Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today we will be installing this braided wig from FANCIVIVI. So this company actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, and guys, I have never had a braided wig before. I've never had braids, period. So this was super cool, and y'all, this wig is insane. Like, look at the top of my head. Like, it's really braids. It looks so good. I can part it anywhere. And guys, it was way faster putting on this wig than it is actually getting braids. And these are also 36-inch braids, so it's pretty long too. But today we're gonna install this wig together, and y'all, it was just so easy to do. And like, I am just shook. Like, look at this, this is insane. Before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Hey guys, so here is the wig from FANCIVIVI, and I am so excited. I have never had braids in my life. I've always wanted them, but growing up, we just didn't have enough money to be going to the stylist. And then I did not want to have to sit in that chair all year. So I'm so happy that this is a braided wig, so I can pull it a little lower, reduce my forehead and all that when I want to. So I'm super excited to try this. Like, I wonder how I'm gonna look. I've never seen myself with braids before. So the packaging is really cute. Like, you can just hang this up. It has like a little hanger in it. So like, you can hang this in a closet. That would be a really cool way to store your wigs. On the back, there are tips for maintaining your braided wig. Air dry it without equipment. Use conditioner instead of shampoo, and hang it on a plastic mannequin. But let's see what we got in here. I'm really excited because I've also been seeing these on social media so much, but I've never had it for myself. It comes with a wig cap and lashes. And then also, let's see what's in this little baggie. It has a band. You use this when you're applying your wig. And also a bonnet, okay. A new bonnet. So let's actually look at this wig. Oh my God, let's see. Okay, hold on. This lace looks super thin. So I am excited. This looks like some good lace, you guys. This is a 36-inch braided wig. I don't know how much getting your hair actually done costs, but I think longer braids cost more than $200 or up to $200. So this is great. And then you can just switch it out. Like, if you go on vacation, because I see people talking about it all the time, how they don't know if they want braids or if they want like a wig or something. So this way you could just take it off, put it on, take it off, put it on. Like, imagine you have braids one day and then you get to switch. But look at that, y'all. This is really exciting. I have never seen one of these wigs up close, and it is all lace, you guys. It is all lace. So you could do cute little styles when you do like a half up, half down. Like, here it is. I've never seen I don't know if people have even shown these wigs, like the inside of them and all that, because this is really cool. Like, look at that. And this is HD lace all the way around. So this is gonna look good, y'all. I know it is. It has to. I've never had braids in my life. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm rambling, but I've never had braids. Like, look at that knot. Like, that is really cool. It has little baby hairs all the way around it. But we are going to install this wig together, and it comes with a elastic band on the inside. But this is really amazing, y'all. Like, look at all of that. I don't know. I didn't know what to expect from a braided wig, but this is really cool. So let me show you it all the way down. So that's how it looks all the way down. Like, wow, this is amazing. Okay, let's install this wig together, you guys. Okay, so I just threw the wig on for you all real quick, but like, oh my God, I would look so cute with braids. It's giving like, it looks so cute, okay? Like, look at that, you can lift it up. I am actually really shook. And y'all, I don't wear wig caps or anything, so this is just how the braids look on my natural hair. Like, it looks so amazing. And with it being full lace, like, I'm really impressed by this. This is how long 36 inches is on me. So yeah, it's a nice length. Like, it looks good. It looks really cute. Okay guys, I got a little excited and ahead of myself, but the first thing I like to do with my wigs is I like to spray a little lace tint on the lace to make it a little darker to match my skin tone a little closer. So this is in the color medium brown, and I'm just gonna spray all of the lace here. Since it is a full lace wig and we have parts all the way through this wig, we are going to have to spray more than usually. This looks really cool. I'm so excited. Like, this looks so good. It really looks like I actually got braids and I sat in somebody's chair. Guys, I'm just so shook right now. I have never seen myself like this. And another really cool thing about this wig is it's baby hair all the way around. Like, wow, this is really cool. So, first things first, like normally, let's kind of push this baby hair back right now because I don't want to lose it when we're actually installing this wig. But I'm going to do my same method I always do. I'm going to cut a slit into each side of the temple of this wig. The lace looks good, like, I am shook, you guys, but I'm gonna cut a slit. And then if you go to somebody to get your braids done, you don't know if they're gonna do a good job or not. You don't know if they're gonna make your squares too big. Like, this is just perfect. You know what you're getting. So that's really cool. But I'm actually going to go ahead and take this lace off. So I'm going to use an eyebrow razor and cut this lace. Oh. Look at that. I am shook right now. I am shook, y'all. And let's do the middle. I'm actually super excited. This is insane. When that baby hair comes down, this is just gonna look so cool. It's gonna look amazing. But let's go ahead and also free the ears. So I'm going to take my scissors and actually cut this off. Okay guys, so I decided to take off the wig and just kind of cut off that excess lace all the way around the wig. And one thing I noticed, since the lace is so good on this wig, you really could just put your baby hair down and not glue it at all, if that's what you wanted to do. But we are going to glue this wig today, and I'm going to be using a little lace spray. Like, I'm really excited to show my mom me with this hair. Like, it looks so beautiful. I've never seen or had a wig like this. This is a bomb braided wig, you guys. I'm so excited. So I'm just spraying, I'm going to do 3 layers with this spray. So I'm just kind of putting it all where I want to lay my wig. And I do want to push it back a little bit because I need some space for this baby hair. I've really wanted braids for a while, so this is so exciting. So now I'm going to blow dry this spray. We're gonna do this 3 times, you guys. So that's 1 layer. Let's do the second layer. And now we're gonna do layer 3, and we're gonna do it a little bit differently. So I'm going to put down the lace spray. I'm kind of guiding it with my finger, as you all can see. I'm so happy about this wig. It's so cool. This is so cool. Then I'm going to actually put the lace where I want it to be. And it's super long, a nice long length of braids. Like, this is so cool. So now we're just putting the wig down right before we blow dry it. So now I'm going to blow dry the wig. Okay, I see this side coming up a little bit, so I'm gonna hit another layer over there. And honestly, the back is pretty down because it has that elastic band I showed you all. So really, you don't really need to use this spray on the back, especially if you're not doing a full updo. But it has a comb in the back of the wig and a headband to where you don't have to really just glue it down if you don't want to. I might not do that, but yeah. So let's go ahead and slay this baby hair because that is just really gonna make this wig look insanely good. Like, it looks good, but with that baby hair, it's gonna eat. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using some argan snot and my edge brush. Ooh, this stuff is kind of crusty. But yeah, I'm going to be using my argan snot. I need to clean it off. And it's good, the baby hairs also have like a little curl to it, so it's just gonna look so cute. And after I lay it down, I like to blow dry it to make sure it's stuck where I put it. I don't want my baby hairs to just be too perfect, so I'm just gonna kind of do a little bit of everything. Edge control on every baby hair on this wig. because I do want it to look kind of natural like. So this really is the most low maintenance wig you'll ever get, because the only thing you may have to do is lay your baby hairs, and that's it. That's it, you guys. Looks so cute. I still have baby hair right here. I don't know if I want to put it down. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna put that baby hair down. So I'm just gonna kind of hide it in the braids a little bit. Yeah, looks so cute. Look at that. Oh my God. And then I could do an updo if I want to do an updo, like a ponytail up here. Like, this looks so cute. I love it. I've never had braids in my life, so this is just so cool that this is even possible. Like, it looks super cool. Like, look at that. Look at my head. And I didn't know what to expect from these wigs. I didn't know if the back would be like a normal wig. It's just all lace, and I am so impressed. I love, love, love this wig. Like, what the heck? I want to wear this on vacation or something. This is so cool. Yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and I'm going to put this wig in the description box so you all can check it out and buy it for yourself. But y'all, it looks so good. I've never had braids. This is so exciting for me. Like, look at this. It's so pretty. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.